friends, welcome to TechCat, and today we learn how to make a bouncing ball in PowerPoint. Now let's start the topic. The very first step is open the PowerPoint and click on File and create a new file. Click on New, then Create. Here is the new PowerPoint slides. Then go to Layout. Here is the option blank, click on that. You can see here. Now go to Insert. Here is the option Shapes, click on that. Now select the shape. Okay. The next step is go to Format and click on Shape Fill. You can see here. You can also choose the texture. Okay. Then go to Shape Outline. Take no outline. Then again go to the Shapes and select the shape for stairs. You can see here. Then okay. You can see here is the shape according to the stairs. Now go to Shape Fill. Select the color, or you can also choose the texture. There are multiple options. Okay. Then go to Shape Outline and click on No Outline. Then go to Shape Effects and click on Fill and choose the Convex. Then right click on Shape and go to Format Picture. Here is the option 3D Format. Then choose the height and width. Then for bottom, click on OK. You can see the stairs are in the form of 3D. Then the next step is insert the ball. Then you can download any image and copy that image and paste on the slide. Okay. You can see the image background is white. To resolve that, go to Format and choose the color, set as transparent color and click here. You can see. Now the next step is resize the ball. Set here. little bit from the outside of the slide. Okay. Then the next step is animate the ball. Click on ball and go to animation. Here is the option add animation and choose the custom motion path and draw the path. You can see now the next step is set the timing. Click on ball and go to start with previous and duration as 5 seconds. Okay, now we preview the slide. It's need to change the duration. We increase the duration as 8 seconds. Now our slide is ready. I will show you. Go to slide, then click on from beginning. You can see the ball is moving here. Really it looks so cool. So friends, I hope you learned how to create a bouncing ball in PowerPoint. If you like this video, then share this video and also subscribe my channel. And please press the bell icon. Thank you.